Well, I just got off the A train at Beach 90th, out here in the Rockaways, about a month after the hurricane. See what I can find. There's a lot of work crews around here. This little pathway leading to Beach 88th Street. A lot of garbage here. And this fence is new. Last time I was here, it wasn't. Let's see what we can find. Walking down 80th Street. And the first thing you notice there's a lot of storage, self-storage containers here. And also a lot of garbage. We had some rain and snow yesterday. And that's why the streets are wet. But just a lot of garbage here. This is Rockaway Beach Boulevard. Take a little walk down here. You can definitely tell something hit here, something bad. Drywall. This is Beach 90th. This place just got torn apart. Places are tagged. This is across the street. This place just got blown away. You can pick up anything. It's just an empty space. Restricted use. That's the, looks like the post office over there. It's out of commission. You can see the side of that building. Oh, look, the flag is torn to shreds. And then over to my left is an abandoned yard filled with garbage. There's a lot of service trucks out here. Not all the stores are closed. There's a deli on my right that's open. That's, you go down there all the way, you'd be on the side of the bay. And we'll go down there, that's the ocean side. This is just continuing down Rockaway Boulevard. Stores. They're empty, they've been gutted. This store is closed. You know, if you can look closely at that t-shirt, it's just covered in dried mud. So I bet, and if you can see that shirt, that's just wet stains. Yeah, so the water was probably just flooded this place. Some remnant sandbags. We go. To this place, the dry cleaner. And over there, boarded up and abandoned. is a Peninsula Library. It's like it is out of commission. That sound is a generator. Across the street is the firehouse. Disaster relief truck. Oh, but they didn't stop the library. There's the mobile library. Let's go over here. Some relief tents. See them? That sky, it's beautiful.